Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. You are watching Tamil Nadu Student Tips. In this video, we are going to see about the United Nations Organization, UN. Okay, let's go to the video. UN, United Nations. The first initiative for the United Nations came from the United States and Britain in 1941. In the year 1941, from the Atlantic Charter, there are 26 countries as the Declaration of the United Nations as first, and Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first female president of the United Nations General Assembly as the Indian. There are many more international agencies from the United Nations. There are 17 on these are the few of them. International agencies and organizations by the United Nations. I already posted the some abbreviations in our channel. Go and see that video also. It is very useful. United Nations has 193 member states now, and each one, big or small, has an equal vote in the United Nations. And this United Nations has fighting between the Axis powers in 1941, and after that only it is changed. In this video, we are going to see about the fully United Nations. This is the flag of United Nations and the emblem of United Nations. Next, this is the United Nations logo in the headquarters in United States of America. He is the current UN Secretariat. His name is Antonio Guterres, current Secretary General. And this is the Dag Hammarskjöld Library. It is in the UN America headquarters. And this is the headquarters of UN. Here, Secretariat, Conference Building and General Assembly also have in here. It is the view of headquarters in 1959. This is the view from the island, and this is UN General Assembly Hall. It is the hall that all and conference. UN General Assembly Mikhail Gorbachev, Soviet General Assembly addressed in December 98. This is that picture in 1988. International Court of Justice. This is that court ruled that Kosovo's unilateral declaration of independence from Serbia in 2008. There are many more goals of United Nations developed by United Nations, and a few of them are here. I here posted 8 goals only, and human rights also posted by United Nations only. The human rights are all very important, and here Eleanor Roosevelt is here, and he was the active Secretary General from 1953 until his death in 1961, called Dag Hammarskjöld. He is the Dag Hammarskjöld in front of General Assembly building in 1950. And it is the art collections in front of UN. Main two are here, Japanese peace bell and the non-violence sculpture in front. It is very useful for 10th standard students. If you have any doubts, comment it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.